Hi there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Capital A Trading, and welcome to what is going to be a quick case study on the US30. So a quick shout out to the Absolutely magazine. It's available now in all Waitrose and M&S stores. Go check it out. What I want to mention now is this is a trade that was mentioned on my Sunday video, the US30, and all I asked you to do was watch an area, explain what I can see, how I can see the markets are being manipulated, and what you'll see now is that 24 hours later, you'd be able to have seen some good profits. So let's just take a quick look or what was previously said on that Sunday video. Okay, guys, next up is the US30, and yes, I'm gonna look at a trading opportunity this week as well here. Now, what I want to explain how we caught these sells last week and has been able to catch them trading opportunities was pure and simply by understanding what's happening here on the daily time frame. Now, as you can see, price has been rising up, and all of a sudden, within 3 days, we get a massive bearish involvement. So these three black candles here come down, and what they have essentially have done is broken the structure below here. But what it's actually doing is exposing how money is being pumped into the market on the sell side. So this is the market makers for 3 days pumping money on the sell side. It comes down, it retests the area where they did it, and then you get these sell opportunities. So for this week, what I'm looking at now, as you can see, we've had the nice sell moves from this area. It's now pushing away, and there's them signs again that the market makers are back. They're showing with them sticky candles. They pushed up to this area, it shoots back down, pushes up again, and it shoots back down. So I'm just going to be looking at trying to jump on what I would say is a moving train. So I'm just looking at around the 34,560, let's say 34,650 as well. I want to see price just shoot back up towards this area and then continue for where my target would be back down to here for this imbalance here. So I know that there's an open contract down here. I know that price eventually will have to be back down here interacting with this candle. So hopefully it will be the way I've described. So again, just keep an eye on that. That's the US30. Okay, guys. So as mentioned in that video, just a quick bit of education here as well. These 3 daily candles explain the structure break. Okay, so as you can see, the price was moving up quite nicely, but never really showing a strong sign of bearish involvement. And then you get these 3 monstrous daily candles to the downside, showing us that there's been some money pumped on the sell side. What then happens is price retests the area and shows now that it's starting to show signs of that bearish involvement again. Now, what I mentioned for everybody to watch out for was the 34,560 to the 34,650 level. Now, as you can see perfectly, price comes into this area here, plays off of the candle, which my students would know is a buy to sell scenario. And we're now getting a monstrous move to the downside on the US30. So again, a shout out to my students that caught this, a shout out to a few people that have been messaging me. I'm glad to see your success off this trade. That's the US30, and that's what would have happened in 24 hours. So again, guys, just be sure to catch them Sunday videos. So again, guys, just wanted to show the importance of really watching these videos, keeping track of what I'm saying, learning what I'm saying. And then, of course, you can keep track of the investment and hopefully see some profits for yourself, like I've had with the few students messaging me. So again, guys, if that sounds good to you, if you trade, if you take investments, hit that subscribe button in the bottom right corner so you won't miss out on next week's video, which of course will be coming on Sunday. I've been Capital A. I'll see you then.
Bye. Have a great time.